Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a theory that describes human needs as a hierarchical arrangement, with lower needs being more fundamental and must be satisfied before higher needs can be pursued. The theory has implications for businesses, as it suggests that employees have needs that must be satisfied if they are to be motivated and perform well. Here is a detailed explanation of the 5 levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs and how they relate to business. 1. Physiological needs. At the base of the hierarchy are the physiological needs, such as food, water, shelter, warmth, and sleep. In a business context, this means providing employees with a safe and healthy working environment, access to food and water, and adequate breaks and rest periods. Employers who neglect these basic needs may find that their employees are distracted, unmotivated, or absent from work. 2. Safety needs. Once physiological needs are satisfied, people seek safety and security, which includes protection from danger, harm, and threat of loss. In a business context, this means providing employees with job security, safe working conditions, fair pay, and benefits. Employers who fail to meet these needs may find that their employees are anxious, disengaged, or looking for work elsewhere. 3. Love and belonging needs. This level involves the desire for social interaction, companionship, and affection. In a business context, this means creating a positive work culture that fosters teamwork, collaboration, and a sense of belonging. Employers who ignore these needs may find that their employees are isolated, uncooperative, or lacking in morale. 4. Esteem needs. Once social needs are satisfied, people seek recognition, status, and respect from others, as well as a sense of self-worth and accomplishment. In a business context, this means providing employees with opportunities for professional development, training, feedback, and recognition. Employers who fail to meet these needs may find that their employees are unfulfilled, lacking in confidence, or unproductive. 5. Self-Actualisation Needs. The highest level of the hierarchy involves the pursuit of personal growth, creativity, and fulfillment of one's potential. In a business context, this means providing employees with opportunities for autonomy, creativity, and personal development. Employers who neglect these needs may find that their employees are demotivated, unfulfilled, or looking for more challenging work elsewhere. Overall, Maslow's hierarchy of needs suggests that businesses must take a holistic approach to employee motivation and satisfaction. By providing for their basic needs, fostering positive relationships and a sense of belonging, recognizing and rewarding achievement, and supporting personal growth and development. By meeting these needs, businesses can create a motivated, engaged, and productive workforce that is better equipped to meet the demands of the modern workplace.